In other news, tens of thousands of people fled the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo, city of Goma, on Thursday towards neighboring Rwanda after authorities warned of possible new eruptions from the DR Congo volcano, including underneath the nearby Lake Kivu. Take a look.
Ima tremblement sitaiwezi.
Mina deside kwanza tuvuke ngambo ingine juko hakuna ile matremblement. Juko siportele matremblement amina viona iko difficile kwanza.
The city has been on edge since Africa's most active volcano erupted on Saturday, leaving at least 32 people dead. Tens of thousands of residents fled Goma last weekend after Nyiragongo erupted on Saturday night, many across the nearby border to Rwanda before returning. But strong aftershocks have continued to rattle the city, leading some buildings to collapse and leaving residents fearful. Local volcanologists have recorded hundreds of aftershocks since Nyiragongo, which sits just a dozen kilometers or 8 miles from Goma, roared back into life. General Constant Dima, the military governor of North Kivu province, said that the latest data, including on deformation of the ground, indicates the presence of magma under the urban area of Goma, with an extension under Lake Kivu. The situation, said, can change rapidly and is being constantly monitored. That was said in a broadcast address. The volcano spewed out 2 rivers of molten rock during the eruption, one of which came to halt on the edge of Goma after obliterating villages in its wake.